Good morning! It's Giselle's very special birthday, so we decided to take her down to Lake Minnetonka, and we got a spot at the Shoreline Hotel, which has amazing views. We decided to rent a boat so she could try wake surfing, and we've just had a blast. So check it out. Nice to meet you too. I'm John.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Alright, Giselle, how do you feel? Excited? What are you gonna do?
Just try to get out first.
Yeah? Gosh, that was so much fun, and we are so proud of Giselle. Took a lot of tries and persistence, but she was able to stand up and then even drop the rope and surf like she's been doing it all summer long. We had a blast, and now we get to enjoy the amenities of the Shoreline Boutique Hotel. So come check it out.